Jai Bharat everyone. Myself Shriya Vishal Kiruskar. Today we, the students of Indian Future School Roha, studying in grade 8, would like to share our thoughts, quotes and speech on the special occasion of National Doctors' Day. The National Doctors' Day is celebrated on July 1st all across India to honor the legendary physician and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was born on July 1st, 1882 and died on the same date in 1962, aged 80 years. Dr. Roy was honored with the country's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, on 4th February 1961. The celebrations of Doctors' Day is an attempt to emphasize the value of doctors in our lives and to offer them our respect by remembering one of their greatest representatives. Doctors' Day in India was established by the Government of India in 1991 to be recognized and celebrated every year on 1st of July. This day honors doctors across the country for their relentless service throughout the year. Doctors' Day is a tribute to all medical professionals who have ethically treated patients and served the society irrespective of odds. Doctors are highly respected in the world in which they are worshipped in India. By the way, man is not capable of comparing him to God, but doctors have achieved this status through his work. We call our life donor a doctor. Doctor who is there with our mother to give us birth as well as sometimes save us from death. In the field of medicine, doctors have progressed day by day. Today, a doctor can cure the most significant disease with the help of wonders of science. Celebrations are made to honor and salute the doctor's dedication, work, loyalty, honesty every year. Now my friends will deliver thoughts and speech on National Doctors' Day. Thank you.
Bharat everyone, myself Papa Hafiz from grade 8. Today's thought of the day is someone who makes your health recover, someone who gives you a healing power, someone who boosts up your body power is none other than a white coat superhero, a doctor. Thank you, have a nice day.
Even the topic of my speech is health is wealth. I am speaking on the occasion of Doctor's Day. Good health is a boon, it is a real jewel of life, the most precious possession of man. Good health needs regular exercise, good food, good thought, and cleanliness. The simplest and most traditional definition of health is freedom of sickness and diseases. Healthy people sound minimum. Without getting tired, they can enjoy, can work for all the pleasure of life. Laughter is said as the best medicine of good health. So, we should keep calm, overcome anger, greed, and fear. Those who are wealthy may not always be healthy, but healthy people are always healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Primary teeth play an important role in how children learn to chew, smile, and talk. Having healthy teeth helps with confidence and participation in their educational and social life. So, hello friends, here I am Dr. Prathamesh Bude, a dental surgeon going to introduce about tips for oral dental health. So, here we are going to start. Brush twice a day for the best protection against tooth decay and gum disease. Consume calcium and other vitamins. Avoid sugary and sticky foods like chocolate, sweets and maida products at night. Limit sodas and coffees. Use alcohol-free mouthwash along with brushing and proper flossing technique. So, further are the common tips which you all must be aware about, like clean your tongue daily to avoid bad breath, drink plenty of water, maintain a proper diet, visit your dentist after every 6 months. Last but not the least, as someone said correctly, some tortures are physical, some are mental, but the one that carries both is dental. Thank you so much for listening me. Thank you. Have a good day.
Namaste guys, this is Dr. Kanchan Kadam. Today I am sharing some health tips. The greatest wealth is your health. म्हणजे चांगले आरोग्य हीच खरी संपत्ती आहे. तर ही संपत्ती कमवायची कशी? How to earn this wealth? The first one is diet. What we eat युअर बॉडी बिकम. म्हणजे आपण जे खातो त्याप्रमाणे आपली बॉडी बनत असते, आपलं शरीर बनत असतं. आय वुड लाईक टू सजेस्ट यू ईट मोर फ्रूट्स, मोर वेजीज, ॲड फ्रूट्स, ड्राय फ्रूट्स, milk, salad in your daily diet. So guys, don't eat less or more, eat right. Right food at right time and right quantity is most important. Secondly, water. Water is a fountain of youth. Around 2.5 to 3 liters of water required in a day for our human body. So start consuming more water and stay hydrated. Third, exercise. Yes, physical activity, exercise is the greatest way to make our body fit and healthy. Exercise treat stress, anxiety, depression and other diseases. About exercise, I want to tell you the discipline, consistency, regularity is much important. व्यायामामध्ये सतत आणि सातत्य हे खूप महत्त्वाचे आहे. We do not stop exercising because we grow old. We grow old because we stop exercising. Means आपण व्यायाम नाही केला तर आपण लवकर म्हातारे होऊ शकतो. So guys, start doing exercising and stay fit young. Next, sleep. Sleep is also important. It contributes in our good health. Daily 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep is required to our human body. About sleep, I want to tell you, लवकर निजे, लवकर उठे, त्यास आयु आरोग्य लाभे. Next point is personal hygiene. Yes, good personal habits are related to your good health. We all come into contact with millions of germs and viruses. To kill these germs and viruses, we require good personal hygiene like bathing, washing your hands, sanitizing your hands, and many more. The last but not the least, mind, your mental health. Yes, positive attitude. It is the key to good health. So for this good health, good well-being, we have to do the simple things in daily routine, like stop overthinking, letting go the things, accept the things, and lastly say all is well. Because the outside health is from the inside. So I hope you people like this information, help this information. Lastly, I want to tell you, take care of your body and mind because it is the only place where we live. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Stay fit, happy and young.
Good morning students. I am Dr. Gandhi from Kolar. Your madam request me to talk on the healthcare. So we are today talk on the healthcare. Thank you very much to madam to give me the opportunity to talk on the healthcare on the occasion of Doctor's Day, which we are celebrating on 1st of July. Now we are come to our points. Nowadays we are very much worried and panic about the corona disease. Corona disease is spread almost all over the world. Till today there is not any medicine for the corona disease. So we have to take only precautions. First and main precaution is to stay at home. Please don't go outside until it's emergency. If you go outside, please wear a mask. Please don't go without wearing the mask. Okay? Later, second precaution we have to take wash your hands thoroughly for about 20 seconds every time when you play or before you take your meal. Okay children? And third, please don't drink cold water, cold drinks, ice cream. Okay? Always eat warm food and warm water. Our research team is doing work on coron disease till there is no any medicine we know. So now we have to take all the precautions for that. The already precaution I have talked with you to take the care. Stay at home, wash your hands thoroughly and don't drink cold things. Okay? Goodbye. Thank you.